And on behalf of the planning committee, the chiefs and queens, and the people of Anlo, I hereby wish to proclaim the 2022 Ugbechocho Za in the name of God the Father, God the Son, duly launched. Thank you, and God bless us all.
One minute more. 1 minute more.
This point is so dear to my heart. Toby Chair, ladies and gentlemen, another important issue I want us to discuss after the launch of this is recognition and respect for the institution of chieftaincy. I repeat, an important issue I want us to discuss after this launch is the recognition and respect for the institution of chieftaincy. Our chiefs and queens in both modern and pre-colonial times have been dominant in steering the affairs of the people. If we denigrate our chiefs and queen mothers in the public space through the power of the media or any other means, we are losing our very existence as a people, either as an Anglo, Ghanaian, or Africans. We must respect every chief or queen across the land. And I dare say, it is unethical to insult another chief while projecting the image of one. I repeat, it is unethical to insult another chief while protecting the image of one. Every traditional authority cherishes its customs, traditions, and norms, and custodians of these traditions is embedded in the chiefs and queen mothers. Any attack on any chief or queen mother is therefore an attack on the people from that jurisdiction. Let us continue to build Ghana on principles of respect for all, and let us support and project our chiefs to become stronger. I hope you want to hear that side again. Let us support and project our chiefs to become stronger. I am again challenging the Anlo State to create a cause for this year's celebration so every citizen can be given a handle to contribute to making Anglo great once again. We can make it, and I know we'll make it, and I know we'll be there, and I know we are there already. There must not be divisions amongst us. Divisions can only divide our front and retard our growth and development. Let us move forward in unity, as development can only thrive in an environment of unity and among people committed to a common purpose and agenda. All Anglos must resolve to contribute to making Anglo great again, like I said earlier on. A great Anglo makes all Anglos great, and a weak Anglos make all Anglos weak. There is no exception to this rule. So let us contribute our ideas and resources to the Anlo State, ladies and gentlemen. Toby Chair, Toby Mamao, invited guests, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, and on behalf of the planning committee, the chiefs and queens, and the people of Anglo, I hereby wish to proclaim the 2022 Ugbechocho Za in the name of God the Father, God the Son, duly launched. Thank you, and God bless us all.